Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick video to show you where a few things are in Canvas if any of you are having a hard time with this. So I will say that I do currently have this in my teacher view, so it's going to look a little bit different for you, but it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so I am on my dashboard, so when I log into Canvas, this is what I see. You would see my class and some other classes. So I'm going to open our class up. And here's the home screen. Welcome to English 102. Here's our section number, cool graphic, and then this button here will take you to modules. So let's look at that. So here's module 1, and of course on my end, I have the ability to make things be open or not open. You don't have that ability. Okay, so this is where I say you start when you enter my class. You come into the modules because you need to read things like this where it says week 2. You need to read that. That's where there are some assignments. Week 3, that's where you could find chapter readings and other important links. And then you see the lessons all in order. So you can see what's coming up. The first thing I want to show you today is this button right here, McGraw-Hill Connect. If you press this, it's going to take you to a screen that looks slowly like this. Okay, so the two links you need are, one, go to my Connect section. If you click here, it's going to take you to all the lessons that are assigned to you for our class, and you can work ahead, no big deal. One more important link is this one that says Smart Book or Learn Smart. This is going to be your textbook. So let's take a look. Okay, so I've clicked my way in, and anytime you see this little box when you're in McGraw-Hill Connect that has the little butterfly on it, this is your textbook. So now you can see chapter 1, chapter 3, blah, blah, blah. You were assigned this week to read chapter 24, Working with Sources and Avoiding Plagiarism. So there it is, and you could click into it. Hooray! Now I am back here, and I'm trying to think if there's anything else that you all have been having a hard time with. I think that that's basically it. I just wanted to show you how to go ahead and get into Canvas, how to get into Connect, how to get into your lessons, how to get into the textbook. Along this side here, this is your calendar, which will show you when things are coming up. Here is where you are sending me messages. Here is the announcements where I'm posting all these handy dandy videos. I think that you have everything that you need. If you have any further questions for me, just shoot me a message and I will be here to help. All right, guys, see you later.